Architect Vivek Bhole, a personification of an exceptional creative mind, simple personality and a fiery passion for designing, has become a brand name in the world of architecture. Vivek was born in a farmer's family of humble livings in the native village of Jalgaon in the year 1971. Uncertain financial conditions at home forced him to pick up small jobs to support his education and aid his family's income. While he was still a student in class 8, he joined architect Arun Bhole to understand the subject on the insistence of his elder brother.
Vivek Bhole joined my office before he joined the architecture college. I am proud of him that he was working as a student in my office.
And this was his first exposure to drawings and architectural tools. A turning point in his life. He developed a liking and taste for drafting and realized that architecture was the profession for him. He was drawn towards Mumbai, the city of dreams, to pursue his architectural studies in JJ College of Architecture.
I recall several students of that time, but there was no doubt that Vivek was extraordinarily talented, and amongst all the students, somehow or the other, his drawing talent, his actual physical drawing, when computers were not in trend or in vogue, I found him extremely, different than the other students. Thesis was on a art center or cultural center in Udaipur, and the way he had taken all his lines of view from one end to the other end, how he'd created the model and how he had designed it. I was very impressed. He had both science, mathematics and art, which is a very unusual combination in people. And of course, when he finished his college, while he was finishing, I used to say to myself, I wish this young man would go out of India and get as much exposure as one can get.
Throughout his college years, he was a topper in architectural design. He graduated in the year 1992-93 and was offered a job by his college professor, architect Hema Sankalia. This was his first professional breakthrough.
He never did go, and he came to work with me. I hardly had anything to offer because I was doing just one small job in a small house in Calcutta for one Mr. Barua. And between Vivek and myself, we designed the building, and he did the most unbelievable drawings for it. I still keep it with me to show it to some of the students.
The inception of the firm Neo-Modern Architects, later known as Vivek Bhole Architects, which he started in the year 1996, his profile output is not a coincidence, but a byproduct of his sheer hard work. From a 2-member team set up in a cramped rental premise to a team of 200+ highly talented pool of employees, and now a spacious office premise of 50,000 square feet floor space in one of Mumbai's prominent commercial area. His success mantra has only been dedication, ingenious vision, hard work and out-of-the-box thinking. The firm has more than 700 ongoing projects all over India and abroad. Having completed 8 crore square feet area of mixed-use development, the firm has a target of completing 21 crore square feet of projects which are at design stage and under construction. With depth and breadth of expertise in design world, the firm has spread its network with branch offices established in Mumbai, Jaipur, Delhi, Jalgaon and China. Since past 2 decades, the firm has been significantly growing and contributing to not only the skyline in India, but also made its global presence with projects in Middle East, China, Europe and other Asian countries. Being a client-centric company, giving utmost priority to the needs and satisfaction of clients and building long-term relationship with them has been the philosophy of the firm. Let us hear the review and experiences of our esteemed clients about working with Vivek.
Everybody knows, and I know him very well, that Vivek, first of all, he is very passionate about his job. Second, he is really brilliant. Third, he gives value worth to the client what he is looking for.
सबसे उनकी अच्छी चीज़ क्या है कि अपने क्लाइंट को, अपने स्टाफ को बाइंडिंग करके रखते हैं। एक बार उनके साथ कोई अगर जुड़ा है तो छूट नहीं पाता, छोड़ना चाहे भी तो नहीं छूट पाता। ये उनकी स्ट्रेंथ है।
Normally the architects are having a small frame in their mind. If they do housing, they do merely housing or certain other type of projects. But he has tried wide panorama.
Vivek comes out with a lot of ideas and a lot of positive thoughts and a lot of energy. And he has also traveled widely in the countries like China and UAE. So all that, travel, all that, whatever he has seen, he tries to put it in his work.
The best part of architect is, he understands the BMC and the designing well. And especially to work in India, you should know what does the government passes and how does the designs go with him. So he has the both qualities in him. That is the best thing, and that is why I went to Mr. Vivek Bhole.
I don't believe that we bring the architects from Singapore or Malaysia. He is better than all these guys. Only maybe people look for white skin. I think he is the best.
Let me tell you, my experience with Vivek is not only related to the housing projects. It has a wide panorama of creating a iconic religion monument, or it is related to construction of a 5-star hotel or a convention center, and so on and so forth.
He can do any sort of a project. He is not limited to only residential, commercial or anything. He can do hotels, hospitals, anything. I mean, if you tell him to design an airport, he can do it. And that too also in a time what is required by the client.
2013 or 14, he will be the country's biggest architect.
Mr. Vivek Bhole is a very innovative and creative type of architect. If you look at his creations that he built, they are all different and innovative. All the ideas are new. He always thinks out of the box. He likes to experiment on new ideas. He has a huge setup with a very big team of architects.
Somewhere, in the December 2007, Vivek happened to be just to visit me in my office, and the time was maybe around 9:30 p.m. and we were working on a project which was Lee Grand Chateau. That project we had a problem that we couldn't utilize the FSI, and it was a brilliant, excellent project, palatial looking like a hotel. And Vivek Saab, casually, from curiosity, he asked, what's the problem? And I had one very brilliant Italian architect who was done a good job, but he couldn't give me a FSI because FSI, if you don't utilize, it costs money. And he said, no problem, just give me a CD, I will see, I will try. And he left the office around 11:30 from our office, and morning 9 o'clock he was in my office. He said, I've done it. When did you do? How did you do? Even everybody was puzzled, because my Italian architect told me that he needs at least 3 days to fix it up this. And that was just done like this. And this for what? Not for money. And he saved me a fortune. And I asked him, I think, Vivek, you deserve a good price for this. Tell me how much you want. He said, I need your friendship.
Professionals are never selected by advertisement or by any other means. They are normally selected by word of mouth. But for Vivek, it was very interesting for me someone gave me his catalog, and one line in the catalog was that I am going to practice only as architect and no other business will attract me. I felt he is very focused person. That brought me to him.
I think we are doing a mall with him, the Riverside Mall, which is the largest mall in Chennai. And it has gone through various changes, because we started with the mall, then we added a hotel and service apartment, club. A person like him could do it because he has seen the world, he has traveled, he has seen that big thing, so he wants, very passionate about the country, India, so how we can bring all those concepts to India.
Staff members of Neo Modern family are treated as his internal clients, and equal importance is given to their happiness, growth and welfare. The directors, HR and the young architects in reverence of Vivek sir are here to share few words about him.
Well, Mr. Bhole is highly ambitious and very hard-working person and very optimistic.
Vivek sir is like a guiding star. The best part about him is his never say die attitude and accepting challenges with ease.
We idolize a person in whom we have firm faith or conviction. For us, Vivek sir is an idol because he's a self-made man. His success story is the output of his hard work, and he's so full of experiences, and we all believe whatever he says, and we feel that he is taking us on the right path. So for me, he has been an inspiring and guiding force.
He is idol for me. His way of working, way of talking to the clients, I want to do the same thing. I follow him. So he's an idol for me.
Taking him apart from his career, he's an amazing friend, a very helpful person, and he is a very good teacher rather.
Vivek sir is not only a mentor for me, but he's also my guide. I've never seen a person so down to earth like him.
He's very down to earth, more of a friend than a boss.
There is a saying in Marathi which says, "Bole taisa chale, त्याची वंदावी पावले," which means a person who does what he says is indeed respectable. Truly, Vivek sir is an idol for us.
I was once working late hours after the office where I was stuck in a problem and I was not able to find a solution to it. Vivek sir just came to my seat and he just asked me what is the problem. I was having some problem regarding the software, which I was not able to find a way how to do the thing. Vivek sir not only showed me a proper solution to it, but also later he sat about 2 hours with me for till around 12 o'clock, and he just showed me how to work out on the software, and he taught me the software pretty nicely. So that was really humble from his part.
This was way in 1999. We were traveling together to Jalgaon in a bus, and this was a night journey, and we were just interacting, and he asked me, "Rajesh, where do you see our firm in 10 years time?" And I still remember him saying that, "Rajesh, after 10 years we'll be having the biggest office in India practicing architecture," and he has made his words come true today.
The best thing I like about him is his never say die attitude. He accepts challenges very easily, and that's what I have learned from him. That never gets scared of any problem. There is always a solution to every problem.
It's a second home to all of us, very obviously, undoubtedly. And to be very honest, this company is a fast progressing company, as you all know, in a gallivanting speed to become one of the topmost architectural company of India. And it's the output of the hard work and the vision what Vivek sir and Yogita madam has seen for this company, along with all the insignificant and significant contribution of all the employees.
Vivek Bhole Architects for me is like a second home. I feel we are like a big family here working together towards a single goal, and that is achieving excellence in the field of design.
I've joined the company 3 years back, and I've always been seeing many firms before this, but when I entered this firm, it was like an amazing experience wherein it was an open playground. It was like an Olympic stadium wherein you have to bear all your responsibilities on your own, and it's like you are the leader out here.
Well, I started working in this company a year back as a trainee, and I found this company nothing like I've ever dreamed of. The people here are really talented, cooperative, united, and each one specializes in their own field.
Here's what the clients had to say about Vivek's strengths.
His biggest strength is Lady Yogita, because who's all the time there to make sure that everything goes to the level. And because she is architect, they work in a harmony and has made this company the best company in India.
He has a good team. The architects are quite enthusiastic and quite creative, and perhaps according to me that is his strength.
His strength is hard work first thing, and he understands internationally very well कि दुनिया में कोई भी चीज़ अगर बन रही है तो मैं क्यों नहीं बनाऊँ and मैं क्यों नहीं बना सकता हूँ. And the best part in his I have made about maybe 12 or 14 projects with him. कोई project हमने almost full night करके 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 घंटे में ख़त्म किया. I don't think so any architect has this kind of strength in the country.
And his weaknesses.
Regarding his weakness, he doesn't work for money. He works only to see his client is happy.
Weakness is very honest, शरीफ है, पैसे नहीं मांगता है, लोग उसको पैसे नहीं देते हैं. That is his weakness. He is an honest, very good human being. Because of that, उसकी ये weakness है. As far as work is concerned, I don't think so anybody can compete in this world with him.
When asked to describe Vivek in one word.
Unstoppable.
Fantastic.
A very good human being.
Multifaceted.
He's very innovative.
No match.
Man with ideas.
Genius.
Super. Humble.
Dynamic.
Outstanding.
He is a good human.
Srivashu Bhagnani, one of our respected clients and a dear friend of Vivek sir, has a special message for him.
Like, in film industry, we have Amitabh Bachchan, we have Shah Rukh Khan, we have Salman Khan, we have Hrithik Roshan. But in this industry, only Vivek Bhole, only Vivek Bhole, only Vivek Bhole.